sketch. They give me a triangle ABC, so hulle give my driehoek ABC met die koördinate. Then at point C, we don't have the coordinate of Q, so ons het nie die koördinaat van Q nie. En hulle sê vir ons lyn AB en BC is gelyk. So line AB, this line AB and BC are equal in length. Then the first question they ask, determine the value of Q. So by die eerste vraag vra hulle bepaal die waarde van Q. Nou die enigste manier hoe ek hierdie waarde kan bepaal is om te sê dat die lengte van AB gelyk is aan BC. So the only way of proving this or finding Q is to say that length AB is equal to BC. So ek gaan sê AB, sy AB is gelyk aan BC, want hulle het dit vir my gegee. So I'm going to use the distance formula to calculate this. So dit gaan ons wees x b minus x a kwadraat plus I b minus I a kwadraat en dan sit ons dit in 'n wortel is gelyk aan, I just don't have space to write it next to it, so I'm just going to write it underneath. Dan gaan ek sê x c minus x b squared plus y c minus y b squared. Okay. Because I want to get rid of the square roots, because on both sides there are square roots. Usually if I want to get rid of a square root, I'm going to square the other side. And if you square a square root, the square root falls away. So, as ek ontslae wil raak van die vierkantswortel en ek vat dit na die ander kant toe, dan moet ek dit kwadreer. En 'n vierkantswortel wat gekwadreer word, laat my vierkantswortel wegval. So basically, I'm just going to rewrite this formula without the square root. So ek gaan sê xb minus xa kwadraat plus ib minus ia kwadraat is gelyk aan, it's going to be xc minus xb squared plus, just going to write it here at the bottom, yc minus yb squared. Okay, and then I'm going to replace the values. So xb is going to be 6. Xa is negative 2, a negative times a negative gives me a positive, so it's plus 2 kwadraat plus yb is going to be 2, ya is negative 4 times a negative is plus 4 squared is equal to xc is 12, xb gaan wees 6. Dus min 6 kwadraat plus ic is q en ib is dan 2, so is min 2 kwadraat. So if I say 6 plus 2, I'm going to get 8, and 8 squared is going to give me 72. I mean 64. I don't know why I thought about 9. Okay. Is 64 plus 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 squared gives me 36. Then 12 minus 6 gives me 6. 6 squared is going to give me 36. Dan gaan ek hier gaan. Kie maak kie, geef my kie kwadraat. Min 2 maal met kie, maal met 2, gaan vir my gee min 4 kie. Dan, min 2 maal min 2 gee vir my plus 4. So I'm just going to add all the numbers together. We can clearly see that the 36 and 36 will cancel out. So I'm just going to take the 64 to the left hand side. So ek gaan hê 0 is gelyk aan kie 2 min 4 kie. Dan gaan dit wees plus 4 min 64. So I'm going to be left with q squared minus 4q minus 60. Then I need to get the factors of 60, so ek moet die faktore van 60 gaan kry, sodat ek my q kan factoriseer, of my vergelijking kan factoriseer. So this is q, this is q. One side I'm going to have a negative value, the other side I'm going to have a positive value. So kom ons kyk gou-gou. If we've got 10 times 6, I will get 60. So 10 maal met 6 gaan vir my 60 gee. En min 10 plus 6 gaan vir my min 4 gee. So this would be my answer. Nou kan ek sê q is gelyk aan, therefore q will be equal to 10, or of q is gelyk aan min 6. Now we need to find out, is it going to be a positive value or negative value? So we go back to our sketch. Dit is in my 4 kwadrant, so q moet in my 4 kwadrant, dis my y-woorde, so q moet dan negatief wees. So die regte antwoord vir q gaan dan wees negative 6 min 6, en dan gaan ons net skryf by q is gelyk aan 10, not applicable, nie van toepassing nie. So die regte antwoord gaan wees q is gelyk aan min 6.